This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop a picture into a circle using Gimp. Let me jump over to Gimp here. Okay, I have Gimp open now, and I have an image of a cat here. Say that I want to crop out a circular image of this cat's head. The way to do that, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off to the right side here into the Layers panel, and I'm going to right click on the picture layer here. I'm just going to right click on it, and then I'm going to select Add Alpha Channel. Add Alpha Channel. And what that does is it creates a transparent background behind your image so that when you crop out your image, the background will be transparent. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my Tools panel in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to select the Ellipse Tool. The Ellipse Tool is in the same area as the Rectangle Tool. The keyboard shortcut, if you don't see it, the keyboard shortcut for the Ellipse Tool is the letter E. I'm going to select the Ellipse Tool. Now I'm going to go over to my image, and I'm going to create a circle. I'm going to drag out a circle here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm also going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to make my circle about as big as I want it here. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now I'm going to position my ellipse, my circle. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag it over. I want to make my circle a little bit bigger than this. You could pull out from the any one of the sides or the corner. I'm going to pull out from the corner here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag out. I'm also going to hold down the Shift key to keep my ellipse a perfect circle. I'm going to have it about like that. Now I'm going to reposition it about like that there. And now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hold down the Control key and the I key. Control and I. And what I just did was selected the area outside of that circle. Now I'm going to hit the Delete key. Now I've deleted the area outside of that circle. And as you can see, this dotted background here, that is a transparent background. Now next, I'm going to go up to the Image tab. I'm going to delete a lot of this leftover background here. I'm going to go up to the Image tab. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go down to where it says Crop to Content. Crop to Content. I'm going to click on that. And there we have it. Now to save this as a PNG with a transparent background to where you don't see these corners here, all you see is the image itself. To save it that way, you want to go up to File, the File tab, and down to Export As. And then from here you want to select where you want to save the image to. I'm going to save it to my pictures. I'm going to rename. You can rename your file if you want. I'm going to leave mine the way it is. And now next you want to go down towards the lower left hand corner and you want to click in the area where it says Select File Type by Extension. I'm going to click on that because this will have to be saved as a PNG. I'm going to scroll down to where I find PNG. There it is right there, PNG image. I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to click on Export. I'm going to click on Export again. Now I'm going to go over to my Pictures folder. There's my image right there. That is how you crop an image into a circle. Thanks for watching.